Oh man, you gotta be kidding me.
What?
We gotta take these brackets back off. All right, it's Saturday. Levi and I are out in the shop today. We're just gonna piddle around out here, do some cleaning, organizing. Got a couple little projects to take care of, nothing major today. Need to put got a flat tire on my welding cart. These Harbor Freight pneumatic tires didn't hold up very long, maybe 4 years. So we're gonna change these out today for some solid casters. Some dummy welded that one on, so I'm gonna have to cut that apart in order to put the new one on there, but I don't know who that would have been. All right, well, let's get after it. All right, well, we got the one side of the shop pretty much done. We're gonna stop cleaning for now and start making a mess over here before we clean it up. So I'm gonna make some hangers for my sawhorses just to hang them on the wall. I got a new table saw I have not used yet. Normally I'd use a miter saw to cut a 2x4, but I'm gonna try out my new table saw because I haven't got to use it yet. Need 16. Can we get the extension cord, bud? Run it out here.
I'm just gonna set that right there for now.
Not the best way to cut a 2x4, I know, but I wanted to try out my new saw, so. Okay, now they're up and out of the way. All right, we got the rest of the shop cleaned up. We did a bunch of rearranging over here, moved the kids' Papa Shot, just to give us some more room to work in the shop. Got all my metal organized in the corner. I still don't have a home for this table saw though. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. It's gonna stay right there for now, I guess. Till we figure something else out, maybe putting our wood shop in on the other side over there. I don't know, that's future projects, but finally gonna get to the welding cart. We gotta see if we can't get the cart up on the 2-post lift over here. That way we can cut these wheels off and put the hard casters on there. So let's get to that. Okay, so the reason I just cut those off is because I welded these on here years ago, and I'm hoping that the new ones, where's the new ones? There. Should just line up with the old holes. Yeah. Yeah, we can just bolt these onto the new ones. I should probably, oh shit. We gotta go this way though. Oh yeah, that'll still work, just barely.
Okay,
I don't think it would work too well like that.
Here it is.
Okay, you ready with a lock washer, or sorry, flat washer first, then a lock washer, and then the nut.
Flat washer. Lock washer and the nut.
Yep.
Lock washer.
Okay, just get started. No. Do the other one.
Wet washer. Lock washer.
I got it.
And nut. Okay.
All right, we need a 1/2 inch deep well on the impact and a 1/2 inch wrench. We probably don't even need a wrench. The lock washer will probably keep it from spinning. Grab a 6-inch extension so I can get below the wheel here. That's a 10 or 12-inch extension.
Oh. Well, you have an extension.
All right, next wheel. Oh, hold on, bud. We gotta get bolts ready. Let's try reverse.
Okay. Here's all the stuff we need.
There you go. Set that down on the ground for now,
Okay.
so I can hand you hardware from this stuff. This extension is ridiculous. You think it's gonna roll better?
No. I don't think so at all.
Whatever.
Luckily, they'll never get flat.
Yeah. Okay, let's lower it down.
Oh,
What? Is it super nice?
I can push it.
Oh, yeah.
Much better.
Much more gooder.
Yeah.
All right. So FedEx came by and dropped off a present while we were putting this together. So now I got more toys to do today. The new miter saw came in the stand. So we're gonna get this put together today too. We'll get it unboxed and show you guys.
So is that basically
Here, see if you can peel this tape off here. Is it basically what?
sawhorse for that?
Kinda. These ends extend too for your wood. So if you got a long 2x4 or whatever, you gotta loosen it. Run that out. Then you put your board out there. There should be a little piece that sits on the end out here too.
That's probably in that box.
Probably. I don't need those destructions.
Because it's getting destructed. Is that saw supposed to be attachable to this?
Yeah, it bolts to it. and then it's a quick release, so you can take the saw right off of the stand. Okay, so those other pieces come in from the bottom. Right here. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me.
What?
We gotta take these brackets back off. These gotta go on first.
Oh.
Well, we screwed up. These handles get held on underneath. These little brackets go up from underneath, but I can't. Here, hold on, let me take the camera off of here. There's a slide it in there, bud. There's a bolt. I don't know if you can even see my finger right there. It's right above these yellow brackets for the saw. So, gotta pull it back apart, put these side handles on first, try again. Okay, we're back to where we were before. We got the handles installed and then reattached it to the brackets on the stand. So now we are at, these go on the stand. Like you have to loosen that nut in the middle, let it relax, like fall down all the way almost. You figure it out?
Yeah.
Now, is that backwards?
Mine doesn't fit.
Levi, we screwed up again. I think we mounted the saw backwards.
Oh.
Because it doesn't line up. Yeah, it's got to be. We need to turn the saw around on the
Wait,
brackets.
I have an idea.
What?
What if we just lift up the table and turn it around?
Yeah. Yeah, let's try that and see if it works.
Okay.
No. All right. See, I told you we didn't need the destructions. All right, we're gonna take this apart again, turn it around, and bolt it back down, and be back with you shortly. Okay, third time's a charm. I think we got it together right this time. It's Levi's fault that we put it together backwards.
What do you mean?
Okay, we got the clamp. I don't know that I'll ever use this though. You put it on either side, it looks like.
Okay, I got the sock on.
Okay. I think I'm just gonna keep this around the back for now.
What even is that for?
It's for clamping your board down, but I won't ever use it probably. I'm never gonna use this thing. I might, but I'm not gonna leave it on there where it's gonna rattle around all the time. Set it there for now. Probably take it off later. Nice little safety on there. Way nicer than that Craftsman that I had.
you say craftsman?
Yeah. That's what it was. Let's try. Holy crap, I can go clear over. Well, if I take this, see, it's already in the way. You can go clear over to 60 degrees with this thing, and it locks there. Let's just do a 45. Oh, grab the cord, buddy.
Okay.
All right, it's time to try this thing out. We're just gonna do a simple 45 for now. Works nice. I like it. All right, well, I think we got everything accomplished that I wanted to get done today. We got the wheels changed out on the welding cart, and bonus, the new saw came. Got that put together after a few attempts. Shop's all cleaned up. We got our mess cleaned up from testing out the saw. So next weekend we'll be back at it with the bathroom remodel. So just wanted to get a few things done in here today, or this weekend. Levi,
Yeah?
you got a joke for the day?
Yeah, I think, yeah. What's good about Switzerland?
I don't know.
I don't know, but the flag's a big plus.
Okay. All right, thanks for watching.